How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing revision of FA3 exam. So, as you all know, in a previous video, we have completed revision of poem number 8 textbook, right? Adventures of Isabel. And in a fair book, we have started hard words. In a previous video, we have completed the revision of hard words. So, as you all know, we are doing revision of a previous video first and then move to the present topic. So, today also we will do first revision whatever we have revised in a previous video, and after that we will move to our today's topic. So let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. So now let's see poem 8 Adventures of Isabel, which already we have revised in a previous video. So let's read just one time so you all can remember. Okay, let's see. All of us are scared of something or the other. But Isabel knows no fear. Read the poem about the adventures that Isabel experiences and how she overcomes them. Let's read the poem. Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel didn't care. The bear was hungry. The bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I will eat you. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. Then Isabel quietly ate the bear up. Once in a night, as black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled. The witch's gums with teeth were sprinkled. Ho, ho, Isabel, the old witch cried, I will turn you into an ugly toad. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She showed no rage and she showed no rancor, but she turned the witch into milk and drank her. This is the image of your textbook. Now, let's see the information about the poet. Frederick Ogden Nash was a popular American poet, best known for his humorous poetry. His first collection of poems, Hard Lines, published in 1931, became an immediate success. In the 1950s, he spent most of his time writing poetry for children. Some of his well known works include Custard and Company, Candy is Dandy, and Verses. Now let's revise hard words. Hard words. Now let's see. Number one, fear. Fear. Number two, adventure. Adventure. Number three, Isabel. Isabel. Number four, experiences. Experiences. Number five, enormous. Enormous. Number six, ravenous. Ravenous. Number seven, cavernous. Cavernous. Then next is number 8. So what is number 8? Number 8, scared. Scared. Number 9, scurry. Scurry. Number 10, pitch. Pitch. Number 11, cross. Cross. Number 12, wrinkled. Wrinkled. Number 13, sprinkled. Sprinkled. Then next hard word, that is number 14, crowd. Crowd. 15, ugly. Ugly. 16, scream. Scream. 17, range. Range. 18, rancor. Rancor. Now let's see the next topic, which is the next topic after the hard words in Fair book, that is meanings. That is meanings. So let's see meanings. Number 1, scared, fear. Scared means fear. Scared, fear. Number 2, enormous. Enormous. Enormous means huge. Enormous means huge. Number 3, ravenous. Ravenous means very hungry. Ravenous means very hungry. Number 4, scream. Scream means to shout. Scream means to shout. Number 5, cross. Cross means looking angry. Cross means looking angry. Now I am repeating these meanings. Scared, fear. Enormous, huge. Ravenous, very hungry. Scream, to shout. Cross, looking angry. Now, after meanings, what is there? Give one word. Give one word. So, let's see, give one word. Number 1, move fast with small, quick steps. Move fast with small, quick steps. Answer is scurry. Scurry. Then number 2, a thick, black, sticky substance. A thick, black, sticky substance. Answer is pitch. Pitch. Then number 3, a strange feeling of anger. A strange feeling of anger. Answer is rage. Answer is rage. Then after give one word, what is there? There is rhyming words. Rhyming words. So let's see rhyming words. Number 1, beer, fear. Beer, fear. Then number 2, worry, scurry. Worry, scurry. Pitch, witch. Pitch, witch. Wrinkled, sprinkled. Wrinkled, sprinkled. Now I am repeating these rhyming words. Number 1, beer, fear. Beer, fear. Worry, scurry. Worry, scurry. Pitch, witch. Pitch, witch. Wrinkled, sprinkled. Wrinkled, wrinkled, sprinkled. Wrinkled, sprinkled. Now, let's see what is there after rhyming words. After rhyming words, there is opposites. Opposites. So, let's see opposites. Number 1, quietly, noisily. Quietly, noisily. Then black, white. Black, white. Then ugly, beautiful. Ugly, beautiful. Then old, new or young. Old, new or young. So let's see. Quietly, noisily. Quietly, noisily. Black, white. Black, white. Ugly, beautiful. Ugly, beautiful. Old, new or young. You can write anyone. Okay. So after opposites, what is there? After opposites, there is answer in short. Answer in short. So let's see answer in short. Question 1. Pick 2 adjectives from the poem that describe the beer. Pick 2 adjectives from the poem that describe the beer. Answer 1. Enormous and ravenous are the 2 adjectives that describe the beer. enormous and ravenous are the two adjectives that describe the bear. Question 1. Pick two adjectives from the poem that describe the bear. Answer 1. Enormous and ravenous are the two adjectives that describe the bear. Now, next is question 2. What did the bear say to Isabel? What did the bear say to Isabel? Answer. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I will eat you. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I will eat you. Question 2. What did the bear say to Isabel? Answer 2. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I will eat you. Then question 3. What did the witch want to turn Isabel into? What did the witch want to turn Isabel into? Answer 3. The witch wanted to turn Isabel into an ugly toad. The witch wanted to turn Isabel into an ugly toad. Question 3. What did the witch want to turn Isabel into? Answer 3. The witch wanted to turn Isabel into an ugly toad. Then next is question 4. Pick any two movement words from the poem. Pick any two movement words from the poem. Answer 4. The two movement words from the poem are scurry and straightened. The two movement words from the poem are scurry and straightened. Now, the next is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So, let's see answer in brief. Question 1. Was Isabel scared to hear the bear's words? Was Isabel scared to hear the bear's words, how did she react? How did she react? Answer 1. No. No. Isabel was not scared to hear Bear's words. No, Isabel was not scared to hear Bear's words. She did not scream or scurry. She did not scream or scurry. She washed her hands and straightened her hair. She washed her hands and straightened her hair. Then she ate the beer. Then she ate the beer. Question 1. Was Isabel scared to hear the bear's words? How did she react? Answer 1. No. Isabel was not scared to hear bear's words. She did not scream or scurry. She washed her hands and straightened her hair. Then she ate the beer. The next is question 2. Was Isabel scared to hear the witch words? How did she react? Was Isabel scared to hear the witch words? How did she react? Answer 2. No. Isabel was not worry, scream or scurry. No, Isabel was not worry, scream or scurry. She did not worry, scream or scurry. She showed neither rage nor rancor. She showed neither rage nor rancor. Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. Isabel turned the witch into milk and drank her. So, my dear students, this is the end of the Fair Book Notes of poem number 8. So, now let me show you how many things are there in the Fair Book in poem number 8, The Adventures of Isabel. So, Fair Book Notes of poem number 8 begins with here hard words. So, let's see how many hard words are there. In the first slide, total 1. Let's see how many are there. So, in the first slide, total 7 hard words. In the next slide, it begins with number 8. Let's see how many are there. So, total 13 hard words. Then, the another one begins with number 14. So, in this 18. So, total 18 hard words are there in poem number 8, Adventures of Isabel. Now, next, after hard words, there is meanings. Meanings. So, how many are there? Let's see. Total 4 meanings are there. 4. Let's see. And the 5. 5 meanings. After meanings, there is give one word. So let's see give one word. How many are there? Here is number 1. Then number 2. Then number 3. So total 3 give one words are there. After give one word, there is rhyming words. Rhyming words. So how many rhyming words are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 and 4 rhyming words. After rhyming words, what is there? Yes, opposites. So how many opposites are there? Let's see. Number 1, then 2, 3 and 4. 4 opposites are there. After opposites, what is there? After opposites, there is answer in short. Answer in short. Then, in answer in short, question 1, answer 1. Then, question 2, answer 2. Then, question 3, answer 3. Then, question 4, answer 4. So, after answering short, there is answer in brief. So, question 1, answer 1. Then, next is question 2 and answer 2. So, this is the end of Fairbook Notes of poem number 8, The Adventures of Isabelle. So, my dear students, this is the end of revision of FA3 exam. So, regarding today's session or the regarding exam, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my number. I hope you all are preparing well for your FA3 exams. So, if you are having any doubts, please don't feel hesitate, ask me on my number. We will meet in a next session with the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.